Welcome to today's countdown of the top 5 AI music creator tools you can start using right now. These tools help you produce beats, compose melodies, and create studio quality tracks, all powered by artificial intelligence. Number 5, Suno AI, a powerful tool that creates full songs with vocals in seconds, perfect for fast idea generation and short-form music content. Number 4, Udio. Udio is great for artists who want polished, professional-sounding music. It offers advanced mixing, voice styles, and customizable genres. Number 3, Loudly AI. Ideal for content creators who need energetic background music. Loudly instantly generates tracks for YouTube, TikTok, and commercial projects. Number 2, Soundful AI. Designed for producers and marketers, it lets you create royalty-free music with different moods, instruments, and BPM controls. And at number 1, AVA. AVA is a world-class AI composer used for cinematic scores, emotional piano tracks, and orchestral music. Perfect for filmmakers and creatives. These tools are transforming how music is made faster, easier, and more creative than ever before. Try one today and unlock your next big sound. AIVA allows users to generate new songs in over 250 different styles in seconds, offering ultimate customizability, including creating style models and uploading audio or MIDI influences. For licensing, AVA provides a free plan for non-commercial use with 3 downloads per month, a standard plan for limited monetization with 15 downloads, and a pro plan for full copyright ownership with 300 downloads. You can listen to over 150 tracks generated by AVA and explore its extensive profiles library with genres like lo-fi, techno, synthwave, and epic orchestra. These innovative AI tools are truly revolutionizing music creation, making it accessible and powerful for everyone from aspiring artists to seasoned professionals. Explore the possibilities today.